You need to be yourself and not someone who you think you should be like. So many people go through their entire life unhappy, living a life they don't want to live. You need to be you. And that is possible when you live your own life your way and not listen to or imitate another person's life. If you need to be successful in life and have a life of abundance in all spheres, you need to be you. Stop comparing yourself with others. Stop competing with others. You are your only competition. You need to be better than yourself every day. Today, you have to work towards bettering yourself than what you were yesterday. Compare yourself with only yourself and no other. Compete with only yourself and no other. You need to make your own decisions. Remember, you are unique. There is no other on this planet like you. Say this to yourself every day. I am the master of my fate, the captain of my soul.